Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I share honest reviews of the things I actually live with every single day. About 6 months ago, I moved to another country, which meant starting from scratch in many ways. One of the first things I needed was a new desk. This time, I decided to upgrade and go for a standing desk. So I bought the IKEA Mittzon, and today I'm sharing my real, everyday experience with it. First things first, let's talk about the main feature, the adjustable height. Overall, I'm very happy with how this works. The control panel has 4 buttons, 2 for manual up and down adjustments and 2 memory buttons where you can save your preferred sitting and standing position. The buttons are responsive, the movement is smooth, and adjusting the height feels seamless. This feature alone is, in my opinion, worth paying extra for a height-adjustable desk. Even if you only stand for a few minutes at a time, it's nice to stretch your back without interrupting your flow or losing concentration. Switching between sitting and standing is quick and smooth. So, there's no friction that makes you avoid using it. That said, there is one thing that bothers me a bit. When the desk is in the sitting position, my knees are occasionally hitting this metal support beam underneath. If I raise the desk any higher, it becomes uncomfortable to work at. And honestly, I would even prefer it to be a bit lower so it aligns better with my chair's armrests. This is very much a design flaw, but not something I notice every single day. To be fair, my chair doesn't have adjustable armrests, which would maybe solve this issue. Another thing worth mentioning is that the control panel can get blocked from time to time. It's annoying, but with a simple prompt to ChatGPT, I was able to fix it pretty quickly. One very useful addition is the built-in power outlet strip at the top of the desk. It's great for charging your phone or other portable devices. I only wish they had added a few USB-C ports because most devices nowadays use USB-C. When it comes to cable management, IKEA actually did a solid job. There's a cable box at the back of the desk where you can hide extension cords and access cables. Per default, you would have 2 cables going out of this box. One of them is from the power outlet strip on the top of the desk we just mentioned, and the other is the cable for height adjustment controls, which is black. So, it sticks out compared to my fully white desk and walls. But if you buy an additional extension cord and put it inside the cable box, you can plug all the cables to it, plus your laptop and whatever else you have. That way, you can end up with just one cable going from this box to the wall socket, and without any cables under the desk. Let's talk about the exterior and desk sizes. I went with the smallest version of the desk, which is 120 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters deep. And for my setup, it's more than enough. If you need more room, there are larger sizes as well. I also like that IKEA offers different colors and combinations. You can choose between white or black legs and tabletops in white, black or wood finishes. So, it's easy to match it with your room aesthetic. The desk has strong metal legs, which makes it sturdy and stable. And there's plenty of space underneath for your chair and legs. One thing that I didn't like is that the marks that my laptop stand leaves are way more difficult to clean than with my old Lemon Adils desk, which was significantly cheaper. That was pretty shocking to me considering the price difference. I ended up buying an additional mat to put underneath my laptop and laptop stand. It does the job, but it slightly ruins the desk's clean aesthetic. It's not a deal breaker, but for a desk at this price point, it's definitely disappointing. A nice addition to the desk's exterior are the small hooks underneath the tabletop. They stay out of the way, yet are very useful. You can hang headphones, bags, or other items on them, helping reduce clutter on the desk surface. So, after 6 months of daily use, would I recommend the IKEA Mittzon standing desk? Absolutely! Even though there are a few small caveats that I mentioned, I am really satisfied with this purchase. The height adjustment is smooth and genuinely improves day-to-day work. The cable management is smart and the overall build feels solid. If this review helped you even a little, please subscribe. It's free and it really helps the channel grow. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!